Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people, any which part of the world you know there. Today me day and me feel for one little dirty girl. And as me take up my knife so, figure who open it. Me remember some memories just flood me mind. You remember back in idea when we used to have to take with knife. And let me tell you something. We have to use with knife and we have to open something like this. Let me tell you something. We no have no hope now. No hope na at all. Like no what day I see my son I use this here. I put pan tin milk and a hope milk. No, back in idea with knife we back and we hope anything as with knife. Let me tell you something. Them are memories, you know. Them are memories. But listen, them is also a little thing for sure we all we can turn we and make fashion. Memories me always tell you my people. Drop a line below now and tell me where you remember using a knife for hope mo. Which tin product? Which tin product? Can me know say some of you remember using this. Come on now. Tell Mama Selva. Anyways, have a beautiful evening and as always, Mama Selva.